Hello everyone, I am BluMoon, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a advanced skill for using candles. Now I'm going to be using multiple candles, a white and an orange candle, and I'm going to be using an altar tile, and normally you'd burn these separately. Well, for the more advanced spells, I actually use two at the same time. And you may wonder, well, how do you do that? First, what you need to do is you need to put your will into each candle. You need to charge them with what specifically you want them to do. So, if this one would be the white represents if you need it to, like, your job improvement, you wanted to get promoted, you would do maybe money for the white, and then the orange one is for opportunity. So you would want to do open up your door, kind of like a road spell for this, and this one money, or you could use a green candle, doesn't matter, but you need to put those into each candle. You can put a sigil for each desired result on the candle. You can on each of those, and what you can do is combine them together. Well, to combine them together, I take some aluminum foil and about so big, you're going to be about 12 to 14 inches. What you're going to want to do is fold it exactly in half. As you can see, it's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. And then I'm going to fold it in half once more. And then I'm going to take about ½ inch, fold it up on each side. Alright, same thing all the way around. Now for this one, I'm going to do twice because the edges right here aren't very strong. And then right here, these are nice and stiff. Alright, so, and you're going to pinch the edges together. And this right here is going to create a container for your candles. Now, for this, and they'll fit perfectly fine in here, and if you notice, doing it that way makes it about the same size as your altar tile. So what you can do is you can leave this there, and the candles will merge together, and as they combine together, they will create the effect that you want. Now you can also sprinkle herbs down for your specific result. So if it was going to be for money, you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the bottom, a little bit of basil, a little bit of salt. So really, you can do anything you want to with these, any results that you want, if you break it into two separate ones, or you can even add a third one to this as well. And then this will make a nice little reservoir for the wax to melt down into. And then once you get done, you can just throw the whole thing away. Easy cleanup. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions, please put them below. Also, come see my Etsy shop. I make altar tiles. Right now I'm about finished with another sigil box. To check it out, it is at BluMoon Spells on Etsy. I hope this has helped you, and thank you very much.